Okay, so we are looking at sum and difference formulas. The important thing with sum and difference formulas is that they help you use more common angles and radians in your unit circle to solve for less common ones. For instance, our most common angles are like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, so on and so forth. They're those typical places that you find on your unit circle. We're going to use those to solve for less familiar angles such as 15, 75, 375, and so on and so forth. For example, 15 degrees is 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So we would use 45 and 30 together with the difference formula to solve for the 15. Then you would use the sum formula for 30 and 45 to get 75, and the sum formula is 330 and 45 to get 375. So when you are trying to figure out what these pieces are that you're solving for, think about your unit circle angles and how you can add or subtract them to get to that piece you need. All right, that's it for this slide. We're going to hop into some examples next.